To close this breaker, you could have an arc flash, and there's enough power in that arc flash that could vaporize you. I'm a Sailor First Class Flight Field on the HMCS William Hall. Today I'm going to go over some of the propulsion plant on the AOPV class ships. We have a 6-cylinder, 120-liter diesel generator. On these ships, they use 4 of these. They're hooked up to a big alternator, just like a car, right? And then the alternator feeds the power to the converters. So the converters themselves are what actually makes the mechanical energy to turn the propellers on the ship. You can have a adjusting load depending on what you need it for. So like breaking ice, you'll probably have 4 of these running all at once. But if just cruising, you'll probably just have the 2. We're gonna go back aft and we're gonna go look at the converters. We're now entering the starboard motor room. So in here, we have our main converter. So this takes the power from those diesel generators, as we've seen earlier, and converts that electrical power back into mechanical power. So we have 2 shafts on the HMCS William Hall here, and this is what's used to generate the propulsion for the ship. So above us here, we have the cables used to transfer that 6,600 volts of electricity to the converter here. So now we're leaving the starboard main motor room, and we're entering the starboard switchboard here. Not only do those diesel generators create the power to propel the ship forward, but also creates the power to keep the lights on. This is our medium voltage switchboard. So this could be running like coolers, chillers, refrigerators, anything to do with domestic life on board. When we're doing HVSS, which is high voltage switching schedule, you're gonna see these guys wearing these big rubber suits. To close this breaker, you could have an arc flash, and there's enough power in that arc flash that could vaporize you. So that's your gear check on the propulsion and electrical systems here on HMCS William Hall.